Video 35. How to draw the section stairs 2D in Allplan. Open the drawing of the second floor plan in the reference mode. The drawing clearly shows the drawing of the 2D stairs on the ground. The floor up to the projection has 6 steps and numbered in 4 order. Similarly from the projection onto the upper deck. Begin to perform. Measure the distance from the projection to the floor to see how the distance in the X and Y directions. View the operations performed on the display screen. Select Command on the toolbar. Value in the X way 1500. Value in the Y direction 1020. Take the measured value divided by the number of steps. We will know the step height. View the operations performed on the display screen. Select Command on the toolbar. Enter the value below the dialog box. Similarly, create the remaining steps on the ground. Then number the steps shown on the ground. Copy stairs from the first to second floor of the project. Attaching the created 2D railing object. Do the same for the remaining cross-section positions. On the screen, we've created all objects 2D stairs in Allplan. I invite you to watch the next video on how to create a facade in Allplan.